Here we are at the back garden. Wow, I see right now I need to put some water on these things because, ooh, we got some tomatoes look like coming out. And look at the comfrey. Oh my goodness, trying to get out the sun so you can see the comfrey. This is comfrey. This is a healing plant. These are the tomatoes. There's onions. And, oh, we still got Russian kale. And then some cabbage up here. I planted some cabbage. So I need to water this real good. It's supposed to get to be 90 degrees today. And need to work in these beds. Wow. I need some water back here.